What do you got to say? Huh? No, leave it alone. What do you got to say?
Mommy,
Yeah.
okay, go.
Yeah?
Mommy.
Okay.
Mommy.
What do you want?
Mommy.
Yeah, you can't have that strap.
Mommy.
What else do you have to say?
Daddy.
Where's Daddy? Where is Daddy? You don't know? Gabrielle, where's Daddy? Cars, right. The cars are going by. Yeah, cars. Cheese. Not that you ever smile for the camera. What do you got? What are you holding? What is that?
Baby.
No, that's your book. That's not your baby. What do you want to do?